Mastering the pronunciation of ordinal numbers ending in Saint. Hello learners! Welcome back to our journey through the world of English language. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into a very specific topic: how to pronounce ordinal numbers ending in Saint, specifically from 21st to 100th. So, let's get started. Ordinal numbers are used to express rank or position, in other words, where something or someone falls in order. When we say first, second, third, fourth, and so on, these are all examples of ordinal numbers. Now, we're going to focus on those that end in Saint. Those would be the ordinal numbers like 21st, 31st, 41st, and so on up to 91st. When it comes to ordinal numbers ending in Saint, it's all about the east sound. It's a strong sound that is formed in the back of the mouth. Start by saying is, as in his, and then add a t sound at the end. Practice saying this east sound a few times to get comfortable with it. Now, let's put it together with the whole number. When saying numbers like 21st, 31st, and so on, the emphasis should be on the east ending, but don't forget the number part. For example, for 21st, say 20, and then add your east. It will sound like 21st. For 31st, say 30, and then add your east. It will sound like 31st. Continue this pattern all the way up to 91st. One common mistake that learners often make is dropping the east sound too soon. Make sure that you fully form the east sound and don't drop it off or swallow it. It's a strong, important part of the word and needs to be pronounced clearly. That's it for today, learners. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these east ending ordinal numbers, and soon they'll be second nature. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to continuing this English language learning journey with you. Keep practicing and keep learning.